Zamboanga Valientes. Hindi nyo abanid po for this coverage. And,
Number 5, Luis Tapeno. And their point guard, number 11, Peter Roselio.
welcome to our championship game between Zamboanga Valientes and Letran Ascenso Bancoro. Tip-off win by Zamboanga Valientes. Starters on their floor right now para sa kanila. Rudy Linganay gives it to Vic Manuel. Vic Manuel against Tapeno. Inside, off the glass for Sam Diguara. Grabe, napakalaking mismatch ito para po sa Zamboanga Valientes. Peter Rosilio, kick out to Sunny Steele. Deo Quahao mula sa 3. Short, rebound. Picked up Jimenez. Mike Tolomia. Across the timeline, Vic Manuel. Tolomia. Diguara asking it. Diguara again. And the two-pointer for Sam Diguara. Letran asking for a traveling violation on that drive. First 8 points coming from Sam Diguara. 8 minutes time remaining. Opening quarter natin dito. Tapeno looking for some teammate. Goes to Sunny Steele. Fires from downtown. Short rebound Diguara. Gives it to Rudy Linganay. Against Rosilio. Jimenez. Cross court. They go to Diguara again. Vic Manuel fires. No good. Rebound Kit Jimenez. Against Sunny Steele. Binigay kay Linganay. 10 seconds to shoot. Linganay against Rosilio. Linganay. Tap from behind. Out of bounds. For Peter Rosilio. 4 seconds to shoot. They need to fire this. Sam Diguara. That's a foul on Mark Omega. Inabot sa ilong si Sam Diguara. Reset shot clock para sa Letran or para sa Zamboanga Valientes. Diguara inside, no look pass, stolen away by Letran Ascenso Bancoro. Here comes Peter Rosilio, drops it. One-hander, in and out. And rattles in for Tapeno. 42. What a jump back cow dito po sa Zamboanga si Bugay. Jimenez. Ooh! Gives it to the other guy. Rosilio is still with the layup. Tie ball game. 4 all for both squad. Jimenez against Sunny Steele. Post the screen. Diguara against Mark Omega. Nabitawan na naman itong si Sam Diguara. Rosilio inside to Mark Omega. Balik sa labas. Sinalubong ng higante. Omega! Good for 2. Six to 4. 2-point lead for Letran Ascenso Bancoro. Vic Manuel inside for 2. High ball game again. 6 all. Tapeno. Quahao. Quahao against Mike Tolomia. Tapeno is open. Tapeno di Descartes. 5 seconds to shoot. That's a foul for Rudy Linganay. That's on Vic Manuel pala. 6:31 time remaining for the first quarter. Tapeño goes to Sunny Steele. 10 seconds to shoot for Letran. Ascenso Bancoro. Deo Quahao. Euro step. Deo Quahao finds the rim. Rudy Linganay. Vic Manuel fires. Short. Rebound Sunny Steele. Kuha dito. Sayang yung pasa. Pamunta kay Mark Omega. In transition. Dinukuha ng Letran. Ascenso Bancoro. They go for the zipper play here. Para sa Zamboanga. Tolomia. Fires from downtown. Miss shot for Mike Tolomia. 8-6. Tapeño. Swings it to Sunny Steele. Inside Deo Quahao. Ball fake. Jumper for Quahao. That's good for Deo. Ten to 6. 4-point lead para sa Letran. Here's a foul here. Rudy Linganay will sit down. Papasok itong si Fortsky Padrigao for Zamboanga Vallietes. Buen salida din ang papasok dito for Letran. Ascenso Bancoro. Vic Manuel goes inside. That's good for Vic Manuel. 10-8. 5 minutes and 5. Deo Quahao fakes. Quahao, Euro pass inside. Deflected by Sam Diguara. Exactly 5 minutes left sa ating first quarter. Baseline inbound ito para sa Letran. Ascenso Bancoro. Quahao fires. Quahao misses. Rebound Vic Manuel. Scanning the floor. Here comes Jimenez. Tries to attack. Get Jimenez to Sam Diguara. Inside for 2. Now Zamboanga Vallietes utilizing the advantage of Sam Diguara. Jimenez with a steal. Jimenez lays it in for 2. Lead change tayo. 2 points for Zamboanga Vallietes. 12-10. 4 and change. Sunny Steele against Jimenez. Andito kay Rosilio ngayon. Buensalida. Offensive foul on Buensalida. A substitution. 3-man in for Letran. Roque, Manalili at Estrada. Nunag also checks in for Letran. Ascenso Bancoro. Once again, this is the finals of Zamboanga Vallietes and Letran Ascenso Bancoro. 3 seconds violation for Sam Diguara. 4 minutes time remaining. To 12-10. Roque Manalili. Backdoor play. Stolen away. Last touch by Sam Diguara. Ang laki talaga nitong si Sam Diguara. Halos hindi magkasya sa frame. Ito si Sam Diguara. Inbound for Manalili. Estrada catches it. Pull up jumper for Jimboy, and that's good for Letran. 12 all once again. Tie ball game for Letran. It's Zamboanga Valientes. Fordsky Padrigao calls Vic Manuel. Manuel fires from downtown. Manuel misses. That's a basket not count for Zamboanga Valientes. That's the number 14 again. Buen Salida. 14 foul for Letran. Ascenso Bancoro. Baseline inbound. Inbound for Fordsky Padrigao. Foul kaagad para kay Buen Salida. Back-to-back fouls for Buen Salida.
Foul on jersey number 14, pushing substitution. Buen Salida out, Omega in. Ilis Pantay.
Two shots to for Zamboanga Valientes. First one for Sam Diguara. Two out of two for Sam. What a soft touch coming from the big guy, Sam Diguara, 7'6". Shot clock at 15. Jimboy Estrada, he spotted the jumpers. Missed shot for Sam. 14-12. Tolomia drops it. Jimenez. 4 points now for Kit Jimenez. 3 minutes and 5. Nunag. Roque. Jimboy Estrada, mutikan pang nabitawan. Binigay kay Titing Manalili. Jonathan Moses Manalili against Fordsky Padrigao. Two flashy guards. The bounce pass. Extra feed. Sorry miss for Nunag. Uh-oh. 16-12. 4-point lead. Para dito sa Zamboanga Valientes. Vic Manuel drives. Lays it in. It's a foul against Nunag.
Jersey number 1 pushing. Bro, may mando lang naman. Sige, may balik-balik mag-video. Pwede na mag-video. Kanang flash mo Doy. Flash doy.
First one for Vic Manuel. Happy watching to all our live viewers na nanonood sa atin ngayon.
Basket again for Manuel. And here comes Valientes.
18-12.
Thunder lead. Now 6-point lead for Valientes. Here comes Juan.
Estrada stepping back. Short for Jimboy Estrada. 2 minutes and 15 on the shot clock natin. Vic Manuel to Sam Diguara. Misses. Too strong for Diguara. Manalili. Extra feed to Estrada. Too strong off the glass. Roque put back. Mark Omega inside and a foul on Kit Jimenez. Foul for Kit Jimenez. Sending Mark Omega to the free throw line and 2 fouls already for Zamboanga Valientes. Malik Diouf checks in for Zamboanga Valientes. Shout out! Good evening to Madam Sheila Barinque and Boss Boyet Barinque. And of course to the Barinque family and KSB family. Kisha Barinque, KM, KC, KB, and sa apo ng KSB family. Good evening all the way from Iligan, Letran Knight and Squire supporter itong Barinque family. Good evening po sa inyo dyan. Bossing and Madam. Back to our ball game. Minute left. Vic Manuel didiscarte against Nunag. Off the glass. What a veteran move coming from Vic Manuel. Manalili on the other side. That's a foul on Portsky Padrigao for pulling itong si Jonathan Moses Titing Manalili. Yes, substitution. Capiral, Prince Capiral off the bench for Zamboanga Sibugay. A breather for Vic Manuel. Nunag. Labas kay Roque. Fires from downtown. Short. Rebound Malik Diouf. 20-14. Tolomia, Adi Discarte. Tolomia. Foul. Oh, that's a traveling violation.
Sir, yung plus na camera, sir. Pag-iop po, sir. Thank you. And the Palombian,
20-14 traveling violation for Zamboanga Valientes. Manalili, Euro step, no look pass stolen away by Fortsky Padrigao. Padrigao, extra feed. Kit Jimenez drives, Jimenez scores! 6 points now for Kit Jimenez. Under a minute. Manalili goes to Jimboy Estrada. Arthur Roque scanning the floor now. Switch. Kick out. Manalili, the bounce pass to Mark Omega. Omega against Malik Diouf. 5 seconds to shoot. Omega. That's a double dribble for Mark Omega. Violation after violation. 2.1 seconds left for the first quarter. 40 seconds sa ating oras. 22-14. Malik Diouf. Jimenez against Estrada. Kit Jimenez will use the screen of Capiral. Kit Jimenez, pull-up jumper for Kit. And that's a long two-pointer. 8 points now for Kit Jimenez. Hot hand. 10-point lead for Zamboanga Valientes. Manalili. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds, 2 seconds differential shot clock and game clock. Estrada, pull up for 2. That's good for Jimboy Estrada. 5 seconds left. Padrigao. He's to fire. Padrigao. Oh!
And here comes Manalili. Welcome to the
Second quarter action. Letran down by 11. Pushing foul for Alcantara. First team foul yan ng Letran. Or na correction ng Zamboanga Valientes. Opening over second quarter. Nunag. 14 seconds to shoot. Jimboy Estrada, discarte against Rashawn McCarthy. Estrada crosses over. Estrada bumping. Gives it to Nunag. Mark Omega, wide open. Too strong. Rebound, Malik Diouf. Once again, thank you so much to our sponsors. Amlan, purified drinking water. Brad Stell. Capiral. Kick out. Padrigao. Fortsky Padrigao inside the paint. Extends the lead to 13. Manalili and his squad down here against Job Alcantara. Manalili use the screen of Nunag. Manalili goes inside. That's a foul on Job Alcantara. And once again, thank you so much to our sponsors. Buds Bro Tel Suit, Champion Commercial, Asia Link Finance Corporation, Amlan Purified Water. Daghang salamat po. And of course, to Governor Dr. Ann K. Hofer, our beloved governor. And of course, to Vice Governor Ray Andre Oligario, and to the chairman and the head of this competition and the league, Vice or board member Rick Oligario. Ooh, nice find by Titing Manalili to Jimboy Estrada, activating their skill here. Naka-zone na itong si Manalili at Estrada dito, anchoring their offense in passing and in scoring. Itong si Jimboy at si Titing Manalili. Substitution for Letran Knights, Tapenio. Shout out natin si Coach Dane Lariosa. Di ko na shout out last night. The brother of Coach Dang Lariosa, itong assistant coach ng Letran. Miss shot. Fortsky Padrigao, too strong. Nice backs out by Mark Omega. Running itong si Jimboy Estrada at the corner. Roque, short. Rebound Malik Diouf. 29-18. Fortsky scanning the floor, asking Malik Diouf. They go inside. Prince Capiral misses his shot. Sayang yun for Prince. Manalili against Alcantara. 8 minutes sa ating second quarter. Estrada goes to Tingmals. 5 seconds to shoot. Jimboy needs to fire. Jimboy steps back. Extra feed. That's a foul for Malik Diouf. And Malik Diouf, alam niya na mali siya doon. Being so close sa jump shot and fade away pa nito si Jimboy Estrada. Shot clock almost expiring for Letran Ascenso Bancoro. That's a bad foul talaga for Malik Diouf. Now, reset sa shot clock itong Letran. Manalili behind the back pass to Mark Omega. Once again, what a beautiful execution coming from Manalili. That's a magic for Titing. That's a foul.
Jersey number 26.
Jimboy Estrada caught right there. Foul on him. And substitution for Letran Ascenso Bancoro. Once again, this is the finals of our third Governor Ann K. Hofer Invitational Basketball Tournament. Miss shot for Padrigao again. Takbo dito, Manalili. Goes inside, Manalili. No look pass once again. Mark Omega underneath. Gives it to the wrong guy. Job Alcantara with a layup in transition. 30-20. 7 minutes on our clock. Alcantara once again with a foul. Titing Manalili will sit down. Peter Rosilio checks back for Letran Ascenso Bancoro. (31 to 20). Rosilio against Padrigao. Rosilio goes inside, kick out. Tapenio fires. Too strong. Mark Omega inside, short for the putback. Rebound Malik Diouf. He gives it to Prince Capiral, but counter steal coming from Monticello. Roselio lays it in. Misses. Rebound goes to Tapenio. 31-22. Letran having some hard time to get their bucket here. 8 seconds violation. Turnover for Zamboanga Valientes. 31-22 our score. Vic Manuel checks back for Zamboanga Valientes. They need A scoring machine here for Zamboanga Valientes. Rosilio goes to Quahao at the corner against Roshan McCarthy. Mark Omega lays it in, denied by Diouf. Malik to Padrigao. Tolomia, Diouf, and that's a push for Mark Omega. Once again, just like the same, just like the first encounter nitong Letran and Zamboanga Valientes, foul trouble kaagad itong bigs ng Letran, Ascenso, Bancoro, with no Kevin Santos for Letran. Mark Omega, Buen Salida lang para sa kanila. Nahihirapan talaga sila against the bigs itong Zamboanga Valientes, but free throw or jumper rather coming from Mike Tolomia to extend the lead back to 11, double-digit lead. Itong hinahabol ng Letran, Rosilio kontra Jimenez. Buen Salida. Montesilio drives. Buen Salida stolen away. Mike Tolomia has it. Tolomia lays it in. Wild one. Malik Diouf. Too strong. Rebound Tapeño. Run for Letran. Rosilio showing his handle. Stepping up his gas. Extra feed. The save by Montesilio goes to the wrong guy. Here comes Vic Manuel. The muscle man. Drives his way. Tapeño. And that's a foul on Tolomia. Penalty situation. 2 shots to for Letran, Ascenso, Bancoro. Sam Diguara checks back again.
Penalty situation.
2 shots, 2 shots.
Now he's back on the court.
14 seconds on the shot clock and free throws ito. First one, Mentes kay Tapeño. 5 minutes and 10 sa ating oras dito, mga kaibigan. And magandang gabi sa lahat ng nanonood sa atin ngayon sa ating Facebook Live. Sa mga hindi nakapasok dito dahil punong-puno na ang venue. Happy watching po sa inyong lahat. Next, Zamboanga Valientes up by 10 points. Padrigao against Rosilio. Inside, Sam Diguara. Again, Diguara misses. Put back for Sam. 8 points now for Sam Diguara. 35-23 is our score. Rosilio. Inside. Rosilio. Jumper for Quahao. That's good. Nothing but net for Deo Quahao. 35-26. Four and 30. What a wise decision right there for Fortsky Padrigao. Vic Manuel against Tapeño. Manuel Masahe. And a put back for Diguara. Good for 2.
Basket. Warning for delaying the game.
It's a warning for delaying the game. Warning for delaying the game para kay Sam Diguara. 37-26. Rosilio. Rosilio against Diguara. Montesilio fakes. Montesilio fires for 2. No good. Rebound. Buen Salida. Good for 2. For Letran, Ascenso, Bancoro. 37-28. Padrigao to Manuel. Inside. Sam Diguara again for 2. How can you stop the 7 5'6" guy. Grabe. Mismatch against 3 defenders doon. 39-28. Rosilio, kick out, stolen away. Fortsky Padrigao will control this. 39-28. Vic Manuel. Manuel inside. Manuel, grabe. Everyone is giving for Zamboanga Valientes. 41-38 itong kanilang kalamangan ngayon. Manuel and Diguara anchoring the offense for Zamboanga Valientes. 2-50. Rosilio, Buensalida, fires from downtown. Rebound, Kit Jimenez. And Fortsky Padrigao will cross the timeline. Up by 13. Diguara again with a slam. Sam Diguara. Throw for Sam Diguara. 43-28. 15-point lead for Zamboanga Valientes. Short for Sam Diguara. 2:35 sa ating oras dito. 43-28. Handoff. Manalili against Job Alcantara. Buensalida. Manalili. Didiskarte. Manalili. Inside. That's a foul. Free throws again for Letran. Penalty situation na. Itong Zamboanga Valientes. First free throw for Buensalida. Nagmintis. Buensalida. 0 out of 2 for Aaron Buensalida. 2-15. Alcantara out of bounds for Jimboy Estrada. 2-13 sa ating oras. Diguara inside. Diguara misses. Diguara again. Tap for Diguara. Napakalaking mismatch talaga for Sam Diguara. 45-28 our score. Roque to Manalili. Goes the other side. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Roque loses it. Out of bounds for Letran Ascenso Bancoro. One and 48 time remaining. Alcantara against Estrada. Alcantara. Steal for Estrada. And here comes Roque with a layup. And we have a timeout coming from...
Ay, toslo ka sa ng net, be. Toslo ka sa ng net. Thank you.
Back to our ball game. 1 and 35 time remaining. Double team. Itong si Fortsky. Stolen. That's a foul for Fortsky Padrigao. Two shots again for Letran Ascenso Bancoro. One and 32 time remaining. Rudy Lingana checks in for Fortsky Padrigao. Jimboy Estrada will shoot his first free throw from the line. Missed shot for Jimboy. Once again, thank you so much for sponsors, Buds Brotel Suit, Champion Commercial, Asian Link Finance Corporation, and of course to our official purified water provider, Amlan Purified Water. Thank you so much to Amlan all throughout our tournament. Ooh! Manalili saves it to Roque for 2. A full court pressa para sa Letran. They go to Linganay. Jimenez saves it to the wrong guy. Extra feed. Manalili. Roque, too strong. Rebound Estrada. Off the glass. 6 straight points. Cutting the lead down to 2. Linganay. Out of bounds for Buen Salida. So far, itong Letran, successful. Ito kanilang full court press right here. Warning for unsportsmanlike behavior. Itong Zamboanga Valientes, Linganay against Estrada. And the young legs of Letran giving some pressure against Zamboanga Valientes. Full court press once again para sa kanila. Estrada and Jimenez. Estrada and Jimenez changing words here. 47.5 seconds left sa ating oras. Seconds, full court press pa rin for the Letran. Ascenso Bancoro. Now they give it to Diouf. That's a foul on Buen Salida. 2 free throws to for Malik Diouf. 3 fouls for Buen Salida. Sit down itong si Buen Salida. Uy! 4th personal foul na para kay Buen Salida. Malik Diouf gets his first free throw for the former UAAP MVP, played for UP Fighting Maroons rather. Itong si Malik Diouf, also a champion for UAAP. Substitution here, Roshan McCarthy for Jimenez. Manalili drives. Manalili gets the and one against the smaller Rudy Linganay. 47-39 again. Let's take a look at his handoff. The drive by Titing Manalili. Controlling the ball. Getting the end one. Sending him to the free throw line. Titing Manalili. Misses that one. Rebound for Malik Diouf. Tinayuan lang ni Malik. And out of bounds for Zamboanga Valientes. 33.4 seconds left. Thirty-seven seconds left. Manalili goes to Roque. Manalili. Inside pass. Nice stop by Valientes. 25 seconds on the game clock. 20 on the shot clock. Tolomia goes inside. That's a foul for Manalili. 26 pala, Jimboy Estrada again.
2 shots for Colombia. And the remaining time is 21 seconds. Second personal foul on Estrada.
First one for Mike Tolomia. Second one for Mike. 2 out of 2 for Mike. Job Alcantara checks for Zamboanga Valientes.
And there goes Rocky. Shot clock is off.
No more shot clock. Roque to Manalili. Manalili against Alcantara. Manalili, 1-on-1. 5 seconds, Manalili. Inside. No good for Buensalida. Tolomia fires. And that's it. To end our first half here. 49-39, 10. Third quarter. 49-39. Manalili once again. What a beautiful drop pass coming from Titing Manalili. There's a foul here. Deo Quahao. Deo Quahao with another foul here. Full court press pa rin for the Letran.
Tulad naman oh.
49-41. Inbound for Valientes. Here comes Sean McCarthy. Double team. McCarthy gives it to Tolomia. Tolomia fires from downtown. Now misses. And the rebound for Letran. Here comes the Ascenso Bangkoro. Manalili. No look pass. Oh! And that's a foul on the Guara. Tignan natin ulit. A free throws coming for Mark Omega. 49-41 is our score. Omega. First free throw is good para sa kanya. Oh, kailangan mo na ayusin ang net dito. (49-42), 7-point lead for Zamboanga Valientes. But once again, the full court press nitong Letran. Double team kaagad ito si Fortsky Padrigao. Nowhere to go. And out of bounds for Letran. 1-4 BF.
Third quarter pa lang, pero nagsimula sa first quarter. Nag-third quarter nilang mga eksunan. Init ka.
Here comes the forward pass. Steal once again for Letran. Nunag. Fouled by Rashawn McCarthy here.
Foul on jersey number 1.
2 fouls agad para sa Zamboanga Valientes. 45 seconds pa lang po dito sa ating third quarter. First free throw for Nunag.
And reducing to 5 is down.
Nunag gets his own miss. And that's a foul on Tolomia. Third team foul para sa Zamboanga Valientes. (14 seconds on the shot clock. Reset to para sa Letran. Oh, miscue right there. Out of bounds for Letran. Ball position for Zamboanga. Sean McCarthy with the inbound goes to Portsky Padrigao. McCarthy against Quahao, double team dito. McCarthy, another steal for Letran. Manalili with a layup. Manalili with a score. Cutting the lead down to 3 right here. (49-46). Jimenez, Padrigao, Tolomia, Manuel, and Iguara. Itong ating 5 ngayon for Zamboanga Valientes. Bitawan pa ni Vic Manuel. Double team. Forward pass. Andito kay Tolomia. Here comes the Iguara. And that's a foul on Deo Quahao. 8:51 sa ating oras. 2 free throws for Sam Diguara. First one for Sam Diguara. Rattles out. (49-46). 1 out of 2 for Sam Diguara. Manalili has it. Binigay kay Roque. Manalili. No look pass. Steal for Portsky Padrigao. Padrigao to Vic Manuel. Jimenez. Inside to Sam Diguara. And one play coming from Sam Diguara. Extends the lead back to 6. Fourth personal foul on Omega. Miss shot for Sam Diguara. Manalili against Kit Jimenez. Quahao fires. No good for Deo. Rebound by Kit Jimenez. Portsky Padrigao. Goes to Manuel. No more full court press for Letran. Tolomia. Didiscarte. Tolomia. Goes to Padrigao. Portsky. Long shot. Out of bounds for Zamboanga Valientes. 8 minutes on our clock here. Tingmals. Nunag. Roque inside. Roque bounce pass. Omega one-handed shot against Vic Manuel. Portsky Padrigao to Jimenez. 15 seconds to shoot. Vic Manuel against Nunag. Nadulas itong si Vic Manuel. And out of bounds for Zamboanga Valientes. 7:34 sa ating oras. Kiting Manalili has it. Nunag. To Roque. Quahao, Manalili. Quahao. Back to Nunag. Nunag fires. Nunag misses. Rebound by Sam Diguara. 7 minutes time remaining here. 52-48. Diguara inside. And Omega is down. Omega down now. Holding his mouth. Ball position pa rin ng Letran dito.
Warning for 50 now. 22 for faking a foul.
Warning for faking a foul. Ito si Mark Omega.
Ito mga kaibigan.
Letran down by 6.
Ito mga kaibigan.
Deo Quahao back to Nunag.
Binigyan para.
Roque.
Roque.
Manalili.
Manalili.
Goes in and out. Manalili.
Nabitawan.
Almost a steal. And that's stepping on the line for Zamboanga Valientes. No more foul, sabi ng bench. Itong Zamboanga Valientes. Tolomia picks up his third personal foul for this ball game. Wow, handoff to Manalili. Manalili against Jimenez. Wow, fires. No good. Rebound picked up by Sam Diguara. Padrigao may tangan ngayon for Letran or for Zamboanga rather. Diguara inside. 3 seconds violation for Sam Diguara. Medyo matagal napunta sa kanya yung ball doon. Substitution. Manalili will sit down and also Deo Quahao. Papasok si Jimboy Estrada at si Peter Rosilio for Letran. Roque against Diguara to the corner. Roque fires and scores from downtown. Full court press again for Letran. Here comes Jimenez. Jimenez will cross the timeline. Tao-tao dito itong depensa ng Letran. Vic Manuel fires from downtown. Vic Manuel scores! Five minutes and change. Sa ating third quarter, this is your third Governor Ann K. Hofer Invitational Basketball Tournament. What a ball game. Finals po natin. Roque misses. Rebound for Sam Diguara. Once again, this is the championship game between Zamboanga Valientes and Letran Ascenso Bancoro. Padrigao to Vic Manuel. Vic, nadulas na naman. Gives it to Tolomia. Diguara, Manuel. Shot clock at 3. Manuel fires and scores for Vic Manuel. Carrying all the loads here for Zamboanga Valientes. Vic Manuel. Binuhos na lahat dito ni Muscle Man. Estrada. Rosilio. Peter Rosilio. Kick out. Omega misses. Jump ball. Position for Zamboanga Valientes. Will spread the floor here. Get Jimenez. Jimenez against his steal. Jimenez steps back. Jimenez air ball. And out of bounds for Zamboanga Valientes. 8-point lead for the Valientes. Rosilio to Buensalida against Malik Diouf. Jimboy Estrada goes inside. Estrada in and out. Step back na tawan yung bola. Itong si Jimboy Estrada. Here comes Fortsky Padrigao. Vic Manuel inside. Malik Diouf to Kit Jimenez. And a 3 seconds violation. (59-51). Steal to Rosilio inside. Rosilio denied by Malik Diouf. And that's a foul on Peter Rosilio. 14 foul for Letran. Ascenso Bancoro. We have substitution here. Vic Manuel sit down. Prince Capiral checks back for Zamboanga Valientes. Matagal ding nakaupo itong si Prince Capiral. At si Proctoy, Jer Quinyahan at si Reed Huntilla di pa nakapasok para sa kanila. For Zamboanga Valientes. Tolomia off the glass. No good. Jimenez with a putback. Pakita ang gilas na ang isang Kit Jimenez dito po sa ating ball game. 61-51. The bench of Zamboanga Valientes chanting for defense. 3-21. Rosilio. Kick out. Lunag. Estrada inside. Rosilio. Balik sa labas. Deflected by... Nope. Out of bounds. For Letran.
Okay. Coaches, reminder na po sa bench nyo. Dalawa lang po pwedeng tumayo. Dalawa lang po.
Jimenez against Steele. And that's a foul on number 13. Titing Manalili. 2 free throws now for Zamboanga Valientes. Penalty situation na itong Letran. Ascenso Bancoro. First one short for Kit Jimenez. Second one for Kit. Kit Jimenez. 0 out of 2. But Prince Capiral batting for the rebound. But andito ngayon sa Letran. Sunny Steele. Balik sa labas kay Manalili. Titing Manalili. Crosses over. Fake pass. Napakaganda ng pasa coming from Manalili. What a fake. And pass inside for Manalili. Grabe. 61-53. Jumper for Padrigao. And that's good from downtown. Titing Manalili now. Back to Sunny Steele. Manalili. Didiskarte. Manalili. Sunny Steele. No good. Rebound Mike Tolomia. 2 minutes and change. (64-53). Malik Diouf gives it to Padrigao. Fortsky with 8 seconds on the shot clock. Padrigao will dance with the defense. And miscommunication. Trash-talkan dito. Manalili at si Fortsky Padrigao. 2 guards. Manalili. Manalili has it. Drop pass. Traveling violation. And Coach Dang Lariosa, after that violation, itong si Lunag, sabi niya, pasa mo na sana yon. Pasok dito itong si Tapenyo. So Coach Bobby Dick, substitution lang itong kanyang tinawag dito. Reed Huntilla checks it for the first time. Coach De Los Santos asking for some turnover for Zamboanga Valientes. A substitution here.
Distansya mga amigo.
Kit Jimenez is back for Zamboanga Valientes.
Okay, yung mga tao daw dyan sa gilid, pakiatras.
1 and 45 seconds.
Space na matatakbo nitong mga referee namin eh.
Inbound for Letran. That's a foul on Reed Hontilia.
Foul jersey number 48. Holding Hontilia.
First free throw for Sunny Steele. Nagbintis para sa kanya. Second free throw for Sunny.
Busog na.
0 out of 2 for Sunny Steele because the forward pass. Reed Hontilia in fast break. Hindi nila nakita doon ang veteranong Reed Hontilia. 66-53.
Game's out. There goes
Manalili.
Manalili.
Offensive foul on Buen Salida against Kit Jimenez.
Jersey number 26. Blocking. Estrada. Charging. Number 14. Number 14. And ladies and gentlemen, teka lang. Buen Salida, that is your fifth personal foul.
So 5 fouls now for Buen Salida.
Balik na naman si Omega. Here comes John.
66-53. Malik Diouf. The bounce pass to Mike Tolomia against Estrada. Tolomia gives it to Hontilia. Fires. 2-pointer. Short. Rebound for Letran. Takbo dito. Manalili. Estrada lays it in for 2. 66-55. 1 minute. Alcantara with a Pinoy step and the answer for Job Alcantara. 68-55. Tapeño. Sunny Steele. Manalili. Estrada. 40 seconds left. Estrada. The bounce pass. Tapeño. Tapeño drives inside. Tapeño, that's a 3 seconds violation for Mark Omega. He's asking for it, but medyo matagal yung pagbigay itong si Tapeño sa kanya. 30 seconds left. Sa third quarter natin. And that's a foul. Jimboy Estrada, 2 shots for Malik Diouf. And a quick shout out to Sir Glenn Paul Roda of Pagadian, Zamboanga del Sur. Shout out to you, sir. And to all people watching us right now dyan sa Pagadian. And also to Ma'am Chilay Roda. Good evening din sa'yo. Manalili against Alcantara. Steele. Manalili. Shot clock at 15. Screen given by Omega. Manalili fires. Back iron. Mark Omega has it. Corner. Back to Manalili. And out of bounds for Titing Manalili. 11.8 seconds left. Shout out to Boss Lance Ko watching us right now. In the basket for Zamboanga Valientes layup. And that's good for Alcantara. to end the third quarter.
And of course, let's go back to the ball game. And while the ball game is on the play, and of course, acknowledging the presence of your incoming Congresswoman of the 2nd District, Doc Marley Hooper Hasib.
Back to our ball game. No look pass once again by Titing Manalili, and that's a foul para sa kanya.
Foul of jersey number 13, Manalili. First team foul. Second person.
First team foul kaagad for Letran Ascenso Bangkoro. Job Alcantara. Oh, turnover for Zamboanga. Balik sa full court press. Itong Letran Ascenso Bangkoro. Pumasok din ulit si Fortsky Padrigao for Job Alcantara. Ooh, nice knockout play para sa Letran Ascenso Bangkoro. 57-74. Lamang pa rin po itong Zamboanga Valientes in our fourth quarter. Here comes Diouf. Back to Fortsky. Baba na lahat dito for Zamboanga. Double team itong sa Padrigao. Tutolomia. Capiral is open. Montilla. Diouf wants it. Poste against Omega. Swing on the other side. Spin. Tolomia. Padrigao. And that's a 3 seconds violation for Malik Diouf.
And a big shout out
72-59. Handoff for Letran. Rosilio. And the bounce for Peter. That's a foul once again.
Foul of jersey number 11, Rosario.
Peter Rosilio. Substitution. Balik si Sam Diguara and Vic Manuel for Zamboanga Valientes. Malik Diouf and Prince Capiral. Was it down? And yung papalitan dito ng Valientes. Forward pass to Sam Diguara against Mark Omega. Handoff to Reed Hontilla. Hontilla pull-up jumper. And that's a 2-pointer for El Fuego. Reed Hontilla. 74-61. 13-point lead. Ang hinahabol nitong Letran Ascenso Bangkoro. Rosilio, tap from behind. Almost a steal. Recovered by Rosilio. Omega swings it to Roque. 3-pointer. Too strong. Coming from Tapeño. Hontilla. Balik kay Padrigao. Shot clock natin. 10 na lang ito. Padrigao. Pick and roll denied. Padrigao goes for the teardrop. And a 2-pointer for Fortsky Padrigao.
Standing the leads to 15. 7 minutes at 59. And going up man dyan. Pulgo niya. And Malaki dead.
76-61. Padrigao escapes and gives it to Sam Diguara. 11 again fouled. Sam Diguara here.
Third personal foul.
Peter Rosilio. Second personal foul. First free throw coming from Sam Diguara. May shot. Shout out ulit kay Boss Glenn Paul Roda. And to the Pagadian Import, Jade Polinar watching daw from Shokon Regional Meet, Team Zamboanga del Sur. And also to Ma'am Chilay Roda. Good evening po sa inyong lahat dyan. Omega. 8 seconds to shoot. Tapeño goes back to Arthur Roque. Tapeño fakes. Traveling violation again for Tapeño. 77-61. Nunag checks back for Tapeño. Turnovers na. Marami-rami na din para kay Topenio. Fortsky Padrigao. Gives it to Sam Diguara. Nagsialisan sila doon sa corner. Diguara. Pass deflected. Steal by Rosilio. Forward pass to Nunag. Nunag lays it in for 2. 7 minutes time remaining. Double foul. And that's the 5th foul of Mark Omega.
Number 31, Valientes, Diguara, and a foul out of jersey number 23.
Fouled out na po itong si Mark Omega.
Mega, napakabigat na kinakatahan ng Mega.
Nagkakagirian pa dito si Sam Diguara at Mark Omega.
Here comes another throw. Another clearance is going for you, Joe.
Manuel to Sam. Inside, the steal. Coming from Litran. Counter steal naman. Reed Hontilla with a touchdown. 6 and 45 seconds for the 4th quarter. 79-63. Litran still down here against Valientes. Di maano. Kakapasok pa lang. Montesilio pull up from the free throw line. That's good for Montesilio. 6 and 26. Fortsky Padricao shouting for some teammate here. Double team. Si Fortsky. Bounce pass to Tolomia. Here comes Mike. Tolomia inside. One-hander for Vic Manuel. 81-65. 6 minutes time remaining. In and out for Rosilio. Goes to Diamaano, and that's a foul on Sam Diguara.
Foul on jersey number 31.
81-65. There's substitution here. That's a foul
And there's a whistle.
on Reed Hontilla.
Sabi to Super. Sabi to Super. Foul on jersey number 48, Hotelia.
So inbound dito ngayon ng Letran. Asenso Bancoro. They go to Deo Quahao. Manalili fires from downtown. In and out and rattles in for Titing Manalili. 5 and 45. Alcantara against Manalili. Uses the screen. Spin. Steal. Picked up by Manalili. Manalili lays it in. And the score for Titing Manalili. 5 straight points alone. A run created by Titing Manalili. And we have a timeout for Zamboanga Valientes, the lead. Cut down nitong Letran. Into inbound for Zamboanga Valientes. They go to Fortsky Padrigao. Double team kaga dito. Padrigao, forward pass to Kit Jimenez. Jimenez will melt some clock here. 14 seconds. Jimenez against Di Maano. Kit Jimenez. The pass. Nawala dun. Manalili is fouled by Fortsky Padrigao. 14 foul para po sa Zamboanga Valientes in this 4th quarter. So magiging mahaba itong ating 4th quarter because of that team fouls.
And he takes ball.
5 minutes and 8 sa ating oras. Manalili to Montesilio. Balik kay Manalili. Bibigyan ng screen ni Di Maano. Corner. Swings it. Demisilio against Padrigao. Crosses over. Montesilio. Wow, fires. Misses. Rebound, Kit Jimenez. Another foul, number 25. Di Maano. 2 free throws ito for Kit Jimenez. In and out itong first free throw ni Kit Jimenez. 81-70. Second free throw is good. 4 minutes. Time remaining. Manalili. That's a foul away from the ball for Zamboanga Valientes. Penalty situation para sa kanila. First free throw for Deo Quahao. Miss shot. Second free throw na ito para kay Quahao. 1 out of 2 for Quahao. Double team itong si Padrigao. Steal. At counter steal for Malik Diouf. Masyadong malakas itong pasa ni Malik Diouf. 4 and 27, 81-71. Or 82-71 pala our score. Manalili. Shot clock at 12. Manalili will use the screen of Di Maano. Manalili denied by Malik Diouf. And timeout for Letran Ascenso Bancoro. Quarter or finals between Valientes and Letran Ascenso Bancoro. Inbound for Letran. Quahao catches it, fires. Quahao too strong. Rebound tap goes to the hands of Portsky Padrigao. 82-71. 3 and change sa ating oras dito. Jimenez, nice find to Vic Manuel. May dukot pa yun ng isang Kit Jimenez. Lunag. Back to Manalili. Extra swing. Lunag fakes. Lunag gives it. And Di Maano with a 2-pointer. Malik Diouf gives it back to Kit Jimenez. Jimenez will use the clock here. Steal for Montesilio, and that's a foul on Portsky Padrigao. First free throw coming from Montesilio. Second one for Montesilio. 2 out of 2. 75-84. The lead cut down to single digit here by Letran Ascenso Bancoro. 3 and 14 sa ating oras. Malik Diouf has it. Balik kay Portsky. Double team si Padrigao. Long pass to Jimenez. Vic Manuel. using the clock here. The veteran Manuel against Nunag. Off the glass. Grabe talaga. Vic Manuel. Ang gulang ng isang muscle man. 250. Manalili against Jimenez. Slicing through the defense. Montesilio. Nunag drives inside. Nabitawan yung bola. Turnover again for Letran Ascenso Bangkoro. There's a warning here. Warning for taunting itong si Vic Manuel. Mike Diouf to Kit Jimenez against Deo Cuajao, Tolomia. Now, nag-uubos na sila ng oras dito. They're down 86 or up 86 to 75. Vic Manuel misses his one-hander. Takbo dito si Titing. A sense of urgency for Letran. Deo Cuajao, catch and cook. Misses. Nunag inside. Nunag short for the one-hander. Rebound Malik Diouf. Diouf di nakita si Vic Manuel. Jimenez ang tatawid para sa Valientes. Jimenez in and out crossover. Jimenez with a drive! And the highlight for Mr. Excitement, Kit Jimenez. Deo Cuajao nakawala doon with a touch rim. Nag-collapse yung depensa ng Zamboanga Valientes. Under last 2 minutes po ng ating bakbakan. Padrigao, triple team. Jimenez, Malik Diouf, Vic Manuel. No good. Manuel again gets his own miss. Manuel goes to Malik. Diouf, Tolomia. Fires from downtown. Short for Mike Tolomia. 1 and 25. Manalili. Oh! What a highlight for Titing. Take behind the back pass and to the cutting Nunag. Jimenez on the other hand. 1 minute and change. Jimenez goes inside. Tignan natin ulit. Rondo behind the back fake pass and then underneath the underarm nitong si Malik Diouf. The highlight for Titing Manalili. Now Kit Jimenez is down. Di pala makatayo. Si Kit Jimenez. Kala ko nasaktan yung tuhod nitong si Kit Jimenez. 75 seconds left. First free throw, nagmintis for Kit Jimenez. Second one for Kit. 1 out of 2 para kay Jimenez. 89-79. Deo Cuajao misses. Rebound for Tzki Padrigao. Padrigao now dictating the tempo for the Valientes. Under a minute. Tolomia steps out. Ball position for Letran, and we have a timeout. 59 seconds. Invitational basketball tournament. 10-point lead for Zamboanga Valientes on this final game natin dito po sa ating araw na ito. Championship. Zamboanga versus Letran. Montesilio misses his jumper. 54 seconds. Mike Tolomia lays it in for 2. 12-point lead now for Zamboanga. Titing Manalili has it. Fires from downtown. Miss shot. Malik Diouf. Seconds left. 40 seconds. And the winner will take home 700,000 pesos. 91-78 our score. Wow. Oh, the slam dunk. "20 seconds na lang ito." Now people asking for Malik Diouf to dunk it. Ayaw niya na. Airball para sa Zamboanga Valientes, but we have a new champion dito po sa ating